Hi, in front of me is OPPO A18 and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, you need to click on Play Store and download free app called Magic Fluids. Light fluid theme from Mad Scientist Developer. When your app is ready, open it, and to mute the music right away, click on the bottom left corner. Now click on this gear at the top left one. Select I accept in first things first pop-up and adjust all of those options however you want to. You can also click on presets over here, tap on the one that you wish to apply, and select yes in the pop-up. Now you need to click on X at the top right corner. Select those two lines at the bottom right one and click on Set as Live Wallpaper. Then hit Yes in Use App Settings pop-up and tap on Apply at the bottom. Lastly, decide where you wish to apply your wallpaper by tapping on one of the available options: Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. I will go with Home Screen only, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!